Are you planning your next adventure and need the perfect backpack to keep your gear organized while saving space? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be reviewing the top 7 best foldable travel backpacks that are not only lightweight and compact, but also durable and comfortable for long trips. These backpacks are designed to offer convenience without sacrificing functionality, and I'll walk you through their key features so you can find the best one for your travels. Let's dive in. Number 1. ZOMAKE 30L Packable Backpack. Starting off with the ZOMAKE 30L Packable Backpack. This bag is a game changer when it comes to convenience and portability. It's made from high-quality, water-resistant nylon fabric, which makes it lightweight yet incredibly durable. It's perfect for both city travel and outdoor adventures, thanks to its 30L capacity that's spacious enough for a day trip, but still compact enough to be folded into a small pouch when not in use. The design includes a comfortable, breathable mesh shoulder strap, which ensures you stay cool even during long hikes. It has a robust zipper system and reinforced stitching to handle the wear and tear of frequent travel. ZOMAKE really thought about durability with this one, as the materials are known for their resilience against rips and tears, even in rugged conditions. The bag's versatility makes it ideal for anyone looking to pack light without sacrificing storage. The ZOMAKE backpack also features multiple compartments, including a large main compartment and smaller pockets for organization, making it easy to keep your items secure and easily accessible. Whether you're using it for a weekend getaway or as a day pack for hiking, the ZOMAKE 30L Packable Backpack won't let you down.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. G4 Free 10L 15L Hiking Backpack. Next, we have the G4 Free 10L 15L Hiking Backpack, a compact and lightweight option designed for those who need something versatile. With its expandable design, you can choose between 10L and 15L capacity, depending on your needs, making it a great option for minimalist travelers. Whether you're going for a short hike or an international trip, this bag adjusts to fit your load. The material used in this backpack is durable nylon, which provides water resistance and long-lasting use. It features a streamlined design that is both practical and ergonomic, ensuring your comfort during long walks. The straps are well padded and designed to minimize pressure on your shoulders, making it an excellent choice for travel or casual hikes. One of the standout features of this bag is its lightweight build, which makes it easy to fold into a compact size when not in use. It includes multiple compartments, including a front zippered pocket and side mesh pockets, providing great organization for your gear. If you need something flexible and lightweight for your next adventure, the G4 Free Hiking Backpack is a solid choice. Number 3. SKYSPER 10L Foldable Hiking Backpack. Moving on to the SKYSPER 10L Foldable Hiking Backpack. This backpack is designed to offer maximum comfort and efficiency. With its foldable design, you can easily store it in your luggage or carry it around without adding much bulk. The 10L capacity is perfect for short day trips, offering enough space for essentials like water bottles, snacks, and a jacket. Made from high-quality, water-resistant polyester fabric, the SKYSPER backpack is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring that your belongings stay dry even when the skies open up. The design of the backpack is simple yet effective, with reinforced stitching and a smooth zipper system for easy access to your gear. The adjustable shoulder straps and breathable back panel add to the comfort, making it a great choice for anyone who needs a lightweight and functional day pack. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just exploring a new city, the SKYSPER 10L Foldable Hiking Backpack will meet all your needs with ease. Number 4. Esup 15L Lightweight Hiking Backpack. The Esup 15L Lightweight Hiking Backpack is next in line. Known for its compact design, it's perfect for travelers who prioritize space-saving solutions without compromising on comfort. With its 15L capacity, it strikes the perfect balance between size and practicality, offering enough room for a day's worth of essentials while remaining small enough to fold away easily. Crafted from durable, high-density nylon fabric, this backpack is built to handle wear and tear. It's water-resistant and offers excellent protection against the elements, ensuring that your belongings stay safe and dry. The bag also comes with adjustable, padded straps that help distribute weight evenly, reducing strain on your shoulders, especially during longer treks. The Esup backpack's main compartment is spacious, and it also features side pockets for easy storage of smaller items like water bottles or snacks. The ergonomic design and sleek look make it a great addition to any traveler's gear collection, providing both function and style without the bulk. Number 5. WATERFLY 20L Packable Backpack. The WATERFLY 20L Packable Backpack is an excellent choice for those who need a little extra storage space. With a 20L capacity, it's roomy enough for a day trip, but still small enough to fold down into a compact size for easy storage. Its ergonomic design and adjustable straps make it comfortable to carry, whether you're hiking or exploring a new city. This backpack is made from water-resistant polyester fabric, providing durability and protection for your items in various weather conditions. The zippers are sturdy, and the bag's construction is solid, ensuring that it can handle frequent use. What's impressive about this backpack is its ability to be folded into a small pouch, making it an excellent backup option to carry in your main luggage. The WATERFLY backpack also features multiple compartments, including a front zip pocket and side mesh pockets, providing great organizational options. Whether you need it for travel, hiking, or running errands, the WATERFLY 20L Packable Backpack will meet your needs. Number 6. BECOJADDE 15L Foldable Hiking Backpack. Next up, we have the BECOJADDE 15L Foldable Hiking Backpack. This compact yet spacious backpack is perfect for hiking and everyday use. Made from high-quality, tear-resistant nylon fabric, it's designed to withstand rugged conditions, making it a reliable companion for your adventures. The 15L capacity is ideal for storing essential items without being too bulky, and it can easily be folded into a small pouch when not in use. The backpack features adjustable, padded shoulder straps that provide comfort during long treks, as well as a breathable back panel to keep you cool. Its strong zippers and multiple compartments ensure that your gear is organized and secure. The side mesh pockets are perfect for water bottles, and the main compartment can hold everything from your phone to extra layers. What sets the BECOJADDE backpack apart is its lightweight build, which doesn't compromise on durability or storage capacity. Whether you're going on a weekend hike or a city exploration, this backpack offers the versatility and reliability you need. Number 7. BAGPARKK 35L Hiking Backpack. Finally, we have the BAGPARKK 30L Hiking Backpack. For those who need more room without sacrificing portability, this 35L foldable backpack is an excellent choice. It's designed with a larger capacity that's perfect for longer trips or hiking adventures where you need to carry more gear. The backpack folds down into a compact size, so it won't take up much room when not in use. Constructed from durable, water-resistant fabric, the BAGPARKK backpack is built to last. The shoulder straps are padded and adjustable for a custom fit, while the breathable back panel adds comfort during extended use. The main compartment is spacious enough to hold clothing, snacks, and a water bottle, while the additional pockets help you organize smaller items. So there you have it, the top 7 best foldable travel backpacks for your next adventure. Whether you're looking for something small and compact, or need a larger capacity for extended trips, there's a backpack here to suit your needs. Remember, the key to a great travel backpack is finding one that balances comfort, durability, and convenience. I hope this guide helps you pick the perfect one for your travels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and travel tips. Happy adventuring!